What's up? Welcome back to another video. Nick from Old School RC here. Today we are doing an unboxing of the brand new Blade Revolution 90 FP. So before we get started, I wanted to note a little side note. If you see that right there, it's pretty awesome. Comes with a free trial of the flight simulator. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. This is the ready to fly version. Starting off, we got all the paperwork as usual, little screwdriver right there. Go ahead and crack open this, and there it is. So this is the fully ready to fly version. So everything that it comes with, and that is the charger. Part of the charger. Here's the other section of it right here. And then their newer style, I say newer because it's been a few years since I've had their RTF controllers, but there it is, pretty nice one. It also comes with the AA batteries, which they've been doing for a while now, but it is always nice to see that they do come with that. So before you go on yanking it out of the box, you can see there is some tape right there. I'm just going to grab my handy dandy razor out. Don't want to ruin anything. Set that right there. So I don't know if I already said, I might have, but this is supposedly good for beginners and experts. So there it is right there. Well, if you guys give a like and a subscribe, we'll do a couple videos of this thing flying around. Also, probably a quick little review of it. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.